Hello guys and welcome back to JNP's kitchen. So today we are going to make an easy almond tea cake. So this can be had at tea time, it is delicious, it is easy and anyone can make it. So the ingredients needed for this are butter, baking powder, vanilla essence, almonds, maida, sugar and 2 eggs. So first take a bowl and add in room temperature butter. We don't want it to be too hard, so room temperature butter is better. And to this add half cup sugar. Now we need to blend this in well until it is fluffy and creamy. Once it becomes in a creamy texture like this, add in the egg one by one and mix them well. So it is better to add one, mix it well and then add the second one. Also make sure your eggs are in room temperature, otherwise the butter may split. So once the eggs are mixed in well, to this we can next add our dry ingredients. So for that, first mix all the dry ingredients in a separate bowl. Add maida, to that the baking powder and almonds and mix well. Now we can add these dry ingredients a little by little into our wet mixture. We are doing this to make sure that it mixes in well. So slowly add in, mix, add again, mix and keep repeating until everything is mixed together. At this stage, we can add in our vanilla essence to give it some flavor. So once the whole mixture is mixed, just gently fold it. Don't over mix it as it will make the cake lose its fluffy texture. So now in the cake plate, place a baking paper which is cut out in this shape and to the sides gently apply butter. You can also substitute this with oil, but I prefer to use butter. To this, pour in our batter. Once the batter is poured in, gently even out the top portion. And once that is done, just give it a shake on all sides to make it settle down. For garnish on top of it, we can add few of the grated almonds. Now we can preheat our saucepan which we are going to use for baking our cake. So at medium-high heat, place a stand within, close and place it on the flame. So keep it for around 10 minutes. This is almost like preheating the oven and then place our cake mixture inside. After 30-35 minutes, our cake is ready to be served and enjoyed. So once the cake is done, it's better to keep it a little while for cooling and then let it come out of the mold. This way it will come out easily without cracking. Flip our cake over. Cut it into slices as you like and serve and enjoy with a nice cup of tea. Thank you guys for watching, and if you liked our channel and would like to watch more videos, please do hit the subscribe button. Thank you and bye bye.